Good evening, this is William Brantley reporting from Bemis, Tennessee with today's weather summary for Thursday, October the 6th, 2016. We had a high temperature today of 90 degrees, which actually tied the record of 90 degrees that was set back in 1951 and has tied today in 2016. We had a low temperature this morning of 56 degrees, so it was really nice and cool this morning. We didn't have any rainfall today, of course, so that adds to a monthly total of nothing. And for the year, we're up to 51.66 inches, so we're still above normal for the year, though, but we're all getting dry for the month. And it looks like, as far as the forecast goes, that it looks like mostly fair skies for the next several days, with mostly clear skies by tomorrow morning, with the low near 57 degrees. The high tomorrow about 88 degrees. We'll have north winds of 10 to 20 tomorrow. On Saturday, it looks like mostly fair skies continue, with the low near 52 and a high of 75, with north winds at about 15 to 30, so it's going to feel very good Saturday. And Sunday looks like mostly fair skies once more, with a low near 45 degrees and a high of about 76, with northeast winds at 10 to 20. And the next chance for rain looks like we're going to have to wait until about next Friday morning, when there's a chance for rain by then, and it'll become fair by noon by next Friday, with a low of 53 and a high of 83 by next Friday. So we've got a lot of dry weather coming for the rest of this month. But if you remember correctly, last month we were behind normal. We had, I believe, about an inch and 40 hundredths last month, and then had a whopping 9.5 inches back in August. So we were well above normal thanks to the August rain. But right now we're dry and we could use some rain. And for those of you who are concerned about Florida and the East Coast, Hurricane Matthew is approaching the Florida southeastern coast. Should be approaching sometime tonight. And the eye should be near Florida somewhere between 9 p.m. and midnight, I believe. And then slowly move up the East Coast and eventually up to around South Carolina by the weekend, and then move out into the ocean, and then possibly make a U-turn and head back toward Florida if the current projections hold up. Right now it's out in the Bahamas and moving toward Florida, so I just thought I'd give you the update on that, and I'll try to give you another update later on tonight or tomorrow at noon. Well, that's the latest from here for this evening. I hope the video turns out all right. And thank you again. I'm William Brantley, and I'm a certified storm spotter and cooperative observer for the National Weather Service in Memphis. And this is a volunteer hobby of mine. I enjoy doing it, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you, and good night.